It's another edition of Hilly and Hart's Furry Friends, who is hiding under our Cat Country sign right now. Krista from the Jefferson City Animal Shelter has brought in, is this Kwanzaa?
Kwanzaa.
Kwanzaa. Now, why is this cat named Kwanzaa? Do we know?
You know, I don't know. Her owners couldn't take care of her any longer, and they released her back to the shelter. She was adopted from us as a kitten, and they couldn't take care of her anymore. They said she likes to be outside, doesn't like to be indoors. So
Okay.
maybe she'd make a better outdoor cat. I don't know.
She's maybe better one of those cats that hangs out all day and then comes in at night.
Perhaps so.
Sort of thing, yeah. Maybe brings you treats from time to time, little presents, little gifts.
Yes, she's pretty friendly. I like her. She likes to play. She doesn't like to be held a lot, but she's a very friendly cat.
You're making us work on this one, Kwanzaa. You know that. And she's a cute little girl. Do we know again how old she is?
She's about 18 months.
About 18 months. All right.
Hi, look at you. You're ever so much fun. And she's got the most interesting marking on her forehead. At first, I thought she had kind of like a little head wound.
Yeah.
But that's actually just her fur.
It is. She's very unique.
She is a sweet little girl, and she'd love to go home with you. So if you want to adopt Kwanzaa, stop on by the Jefferson City Animal Shelter. They are at 919 East Miller Street. 634-6429 is their number. And how are we doing with cats, by the way? A lot of cats right now?
We don't have a lot of cats right
Oh,
now.
well, that's good news.
It is good.
That is our goal there, to make as few as possible. So come on in and see Kwanzaa, and perhaps you can give her a good home and get her away from this sign, because we really need to be able to put it away. And that's another edition of Hilly and Hart's Furry Friends, brought to you by Black Gold Dog Food, loved by pets and vets alike, on 94.3 Cat Country.
Hilly and Hart on 94.3 Cat Country and online at 943cat.com.